Aww, 15 by Taylor Swift just started playing. Bubble wrap!
Someone once told me the grass is much greener on the other side.
Hey guys, it's Virginia. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So long time no see. I'm sorry, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I really wanted to be uploading more now that I'm home, but online school takes about the same amount of time as in-person school. So speaking of school, a month and a half ago, my semester in person got canceled, so I had to move back home, bring all of my dorm stuff with me, and put it back into my small bedroom. So I decided to film an unpacking video and also a cleaning video because the fact that I moved everything from my dorm into my bedroom made my room very messy. And this video has actually been filmed like over every weekend of the past month, so there's lots of different outfits in this video. Anyways, because I had so much stuff to unpack and then I also had to find a place for it, I ended up going through all of my clothes and decluttering. I went through my desk to declutter, I went through my dresser and my green drawer organizers, and because I had so much stuff that took so much time to go through and declutter and organize, I didn't actually film all of it. So this video has kind of a dramatic jump from messy to clean, so sorry about that, but also you didn't want to see me going through my desk at 10 p.m. at night. So I guess if you want, you could consider this a quarantine cleaning video. I don't know if I've seen anybody say that yet on YouTube, but I feel like it was very easy for me to put the word quarantine and the word clean together. In case anybody else hasn't already done it, I'm doing it now. So this is a quarantine cleaning video with me unpacking from college and organizing and decluttering everything in my room. So let me show you what it looked like before, because it was atrocious. So this is the corner that has all of my dorm stuff in it. Pretty messy. This chest is also from my dorm and it's full of my bedding. That laundry basket is stuff from my dorm. That laundry basket is actually clothing that I need to put away. My bed is not super messy. I mean, it's not made, but it's also not untucked because I've actually been making it every day. Wow, impressive. I actually cleaned off my desk 2 weeks ago because I have tried to be using it for school, but I just have so much crap that I can't. Here's my dresser. So previously I had this mirror in the center of the dresser, but now I have this TV that I don't have anywhere else to put, so I had to scoot this. I guess maybe I'll have a TV in my room now. I don't know. That was something my sister and I always wanted when we were kids and shared this room. Also, did anyone else have Scholastic book fairs and get this Coke and Pepsi book? Because this was the cool thing to get if you were a girl. So this is what we're looking at. Let's go. I'm gonna start by stripping my sheets, and now I'm gonna put those in the wash. Next, I'm going to move on to putting away my clothes. Okay. So here's all the clothing that I need to go through. I think this also has other things in it, like mugs and I don't know what else actually. So I'm just gonna go through these clothes, see which ones I actually want to get rid of, see which ones I want to hang up in my closet, see which ones need to be put away because they are too warm to wear now. So let's go. So it turns out that bag didn't have any clothes at all, but now I have that bag unpacked, so. So I've just organized my shoes. I just got out the clothing that I'm going to be putting away for winter, at least for right now. And I have this pile to go. away. This pile to try on to see if I want to keep it. Those are like pants and shirts that will go in my drawers possibly, but before I put those, I'm going to also go through here to see if I have any clothes that I want to get rid of. And then this is my bin of stuff that has my summer clothes and winter clothes in it right now. And so those are all summer clothes that I need to take out so that I can put winter clothes in, and then I'll hang them up in my closet, probably, maybe, I don't really know. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to not do that on camera though, because it's going to take a long time. So I've just finished putting my clothes away completely. I put some stuff underneath my bed. I put a lot of things in my closet. I folded things for my dresser. My closet looks pretty freaking packed, but that's because I still have like some like long sleeve and warmer weather shirts because it's like teetering between the 50s and like the 80s right now, but I also put up like my summer clothes so I won't have to put this up later. Mookie has joined me. Hello. I have some extra hangers left over that I guess I'll put them away with dorm stuff. Right here I have like towels for my dorm, so I'm probably just going to, like, once I go through everything, just put certain things away, like in our shed where my fridge and microwave are for my dorm. And then I'll just have those ready to go for when I move in the fall. Those bags are empty now. This laundry basket I still have to go through, and I'm about to go through that now. This has a bunch of random things. So everything in this basket, plus everything in here, and this trunk itself is stuff that I'm just gonna go store away somewhere. Hey guys, I don't even know what the last thing I filmed was, but what I do know is that it has been 2 weeks since I started this video. It is now April 25th. Little update, I ended up decluttering the surface of my dresser enough that I had space to set up my TV, and my productivity has dropped dramatically since that happened. Also to blame is Brooklyn Nine-Nine, because I recently started watching that and I'm kind of hooked. It has been raining a lot today, and there are some pretty dramatic clouds out there, but it has stopped raining for now, and I think I have everything that I'm going to take out to the shed of my like college dorm belongings that I don't need in my bedroom with me, so I think I'm going to go and put those in the shed before it starts pouring again. This is the current state of my room, which still honestly looks like a mess, but like it's better than it has been. These are all things that I'm going to like donate or give away. These are still bags that I had stuff packed in that, I mean, that's been there for like longer than I have been home. So this is my kind of cleaned off dresser. Like it has my pajamas on it right now. This is like all school stuff. I actually like totally cleaned out my desks. The surface is still kind of messy, but I reorganized all the drawers, and I'll show that later. And then here's my bed. It's not made right now because I've been laying in it all day with Mookie. So today's been a very unproductive day, and it's his fault, completely his fault, not mine at all. As for the things that I need to take out to the shed, I think I'm just going to keep these together, and I'm probably going to put them like in big trash bags and just tape it shut so that like nothing gets in them. Everything in this laundry basket I think is going to go in the shed, as well as these things and this trunk. It has now been 3 weeks since I started this video. I actually am finally almost done cleaning. My room is looking like a little bit of a mess today just because there's stuff all over the place from cleaning. I'm going through jewelry stuff now, so that'll go on one of these shelves. And then this is like my shelf of knickknacks, which has kind of been shared with my jewelry, but I don't know what all I'm going to do. I just went through these drawers, so like, look, I labeled them. I went through my hair drawer because it was like overpacked. I folded up all my bandanas and put my hats in this drawer, which they were previously sitting on that shelf, which only has like empty picture frames now, so maybe I'll have like a separate shelf for my jewelry and for my knickknacks. But besides these just little organizational things that I need to do, I'm pretty much done, and I'm going to sweep and then vacuum my rug that I'm going to put back in here. Once I put my rug in here, I will be completely done. So here is my room, all perfect and clean looking. So I went through, organized and decluttered my purses, cleaned off my chair and ottoman. Obviously this is way cleaner now. Organized these shelves, so this is like a fun display shelf. This is my jewelry shelf, and I reorganized some of my books and stuff. The surface of my dresser is obviously much cleaner. This corner still looks messy, but I did go through and organize some of my like craft supplies and stuff. I already showed you how I reorganized these drawers. I also went through and organized my drawers in my desk, so I'll show you those. So this large drawer, you can't really see that much in here, but it essentially just has extra like school supplies and sticky notes and stuff like that. This drawer is right next to my bed, so I have some of my bedside essentials here. I have my remotes for my TV. I have chapstick and like some prayer cards. So this is kind of a jumbled but organized mess of stuff that I use pretty much every day. And then this drawer I have my notebooks in, so I have my YouTube notebook, my journal, my Bible, so just other stuff that I use. And then the bottom drawer is just a junk drawer, so there's not really any point in showing that. And of course I also have my bed all nice and made. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you've also been using this time to go through everything and declutter and to clean your room and to like redecorate your room. I think I'm gonna do some like redecorating with my playbill corner. And since everybody has been decluttering during quarantine, that means that the thrift stores are going to be popping after all of this is over. So I'm so excited about that. Certainly there will be thrift hauls coming soon. Well, soon after everything goes back to normal, if that will ever happen. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're doing well with your finals if you have those going on, or that you're having a nice start to your summer. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!